Welcome! This video will guide you through the complete rebuild and replacement of a cartridge seal in Viking Pump's LVP Series vane pump. Before you begin, consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. The following tools are required: SAE wrenches, Allen wrenches, and an O-ring pick. A complete listing of tools can be found in the service manual. Keep the pump and work area as clean as possible. Drain the pump of any residual liquid by removing the drain plug located on the head of the pump. Mark the pump head and casing to ensure proper reassembly later. It is not necessary to remove the relief valve from the pump casing, but if removing the relief valve, take note of the orientation to ensure the valve is properly oriented when reinstalled. Marking the valve and pump can help ensure this. First, loosen and remove the head bolts. Remove the pump head and discard the head O-ring. Remove and discard the first carbon disc. Remove and discard the vanes from the rotor slots. Rotate the shaft by hand to remove each vane. For training purposes, a 3D printed mock cartridge seal was used in the making of this video. For removal, first remove any flush plan tubing from the seal gland. Reinstall the seal spacers. Loosen the seal collar set screws to free the cartridge seal from the shaft. Finally, remove the gland bolts and slide the seal off the end of the shaft. Next, remove the rotor and shaft. Remove and discard the push rods. Next, remove and discard the second carbon disc by carefully lifting it straight out. If it should get jammed, a small screwdriver or punch can be used to help guide it out. Clean and examine the parts thoroughly and replace if worn or damaged. Install one carbon disc into the casing. The hole should align with the open hole on the suction side of the casing. The other hole should be plugged. If the disc should get jammed, don't force it. Pull it back out, confirm that it's aligned correctly, and try again. Coat the shaft with compatible lubricant and install into the casing. Just before the rotor is fully installed, insert the push rods. Once the push rods are installed, you may finish installing the rotor. Install the vanes into each slot. Orientation is critical for proper pump operation. Ensure the grooved face of each vane is facing in the direction of rotation and that the rounded edge points out from the shaft. Turning the shaft by hand should allow the push rods to slide down, allowing vanes to be installed. Turn the shaft to make sure the vanes and push rods are moving freely. Install the second disc into the casing, making sure to align the hole with the open hole on the suction side of the head. The other hole should be plugged. If the end cap has not been removed, a screwdriver or Allen wrench can be used to confirm which side is plugged. Lubricate and install the head O-ring. Install the pump head and tighten the head cap screws evenly. Turn the shaft by hand to make sure the pump spins freely. For cartridge seal installation, first make sure the shaft and face of the seal chamber are clean and free of burrs or scratches, which may damage the seal or prevent sealing. Coat the shaft and O-rings with compatible lubricant. Slide the seal along the shaft and against the seal chamber face. Install the seal mounting cap screws and tighten evenly. Evenly tighten the seal collar set screws to set the cartridge seal to the shaft. Remove the seal spacers. Attach any auxiliary seal flush lines as needed. Your Viking Pump LVP Series vane pump is now ready to be put back into service. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.